What's up, guys? Thank you for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, this is Real Deal Fishing, and today we are going to be doing some wade fishing right here along this bridge. This is Flower Bluff right here, and this is basically the bridge leading to the Cosway. So we're going to fish like right here in the middle and see what we can get on. So I'll see y'all out there. All right, so we're just going to walk through all this mud right here, cut along that way. I might just get in right here just to get the wade started and then make my way that way. But be real careful right here. Oh, yeah, it's muddy right here. Going with the coastal brew. I haven't really got to use it yet. I've been wanting to use this, so that's what we're going with today. All right, making our way right here. It's getting a little deep, but I'm seeing some big blow-ups, some mullet jumping right here. We're gonna work this area pretty good. Basically gonna hit this whole grass line. We're gonna start right here. Get this wade started. See what this coastal brew can do for us. Look like a nice day to wade. Not a lot of sun out. Pretty cloudy for the most part. Besides, I'm kind of on a time limit too. See if I can get some fish for my birthday. Just noticed a slick formed up right here, so I'm gonna work my way towards there and then circle back around. Let's see if it can produce for us. All right, let's see. Oh, fish on. First cast into the slick. See? You always want to target them slicks. It's usually trout or redfish. Looks like a keeper trout. Oh yeah. Off that coastal brew. Nice. Sure we can. Just get this lure out of him. Let him go. I didn't bring a stringer. Typical. It's alright. Let this big guy go. Appreciate it, buddy. Let's go. Right in the slick, guys. Alright, guys, this will be our second cast into the slick. See if we can produce again. Fish on. Oh, it's a good one, guys. Pulling drag. Oh, did he come off? No, he didn't. Let's go. What is this? It's probably a red. Oh, it's a good trout. Ooh. Oh, that's a big trout, guys. That could be a gator. Let's go. Gator trout for my birthday. Let's freaking go. Let's go. That's a big trout. Come on, let me grip you, buddy. Let me grip you. Come on. Got him. Woo! Look at that trout, guys. Yeah, baby. Let's go. I'll take that as a birthday present right there to myself. Look at that. Bro, he's got to be like over 20. Woo! Big old trout, baby. Yes. Woo! Look at that guy. Off the Coastal Brew. Big trout. So I can let this guy go. Let me get the lure out of him. Perfect hook set, man. I'm telling you, these slicks. Let's get the release on this guy. That's a big trout, guys. Look at this thing. That's a little gator right there. Later, fella. Hell yeah. Woo! That's the second fish out of this slick. Like third cast. That was a beautiful trout. Coastal Brew putting in work. Ugh. Little trout. Let's get him freed quickly. Let's get back out there. Mark's on right here. Something. Fish on. Yeah.
Maybe hitting it close to you here.
Yeah.
Like on some really cold days, dude.
Yeah.
I hit some big ones out here where I'm like about to start reeling it up because, you know, that's it.
And then boom.
It's right there, dude.
Yeah. Coastal Brew. Ah, shit. There we go. Alright, guys, we're approaching the slick right here. Hopefully our luck can turn around. Yeah. Flounder. Flounder. Let's go. Got a flounder on, guys. Right up in that slick. Like right under his like gill. He must have like bit it or something and the flat guy.
They just want to jump out of the water.
Yeah. Probably like a 14 and a half. Maybe even a 15. Let that one go. Oh yeah. Oh dang. What size is that? Oh yeah, that's a good one. What about a 20, 21, 22?
Maybe it's 20.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. Hell yeah. Ooh. Yeah, let's get a picture.
No, I was telling the fish, like,
Oh.
you want to get off, motherfucker.
Yeah. Yeah. Got a good one on. Oh shit. Yeah. 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 Yeah, they're in here right now, dude. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Ah, shit. Let me get him. Yeah. Let that one goes. Big old trout. Big trout. Oh yeah. You got your phone or not? Alright guys, it's back. It's getting back. Woo. Oh man.